books with the help of Mrs. Punts. So show them those off, guys. Show them. To Mr. Lutz after the concert. We're not going to make him come up to the stage right now, but he's over there. You can smile at him. Go ahead and put those down. Thank you, guys. And you know that's not it, right? Sorry, Mr. Lutz. We are going to do one other thing. You guys can go back. Thank you. We decided that I really loved all of what they wrote. It was very touching, and there was one that people said, by far, unanimous, the one that was in there, they were thankful for Mr. Lutz, and I thought it would make a cool song if I just put some of them in there, and then we ended with the favorite one. So I just took some of their suggestions, and we changed the words to this song we just sang, and we have a new thankful song. So this is for you, Mr. Lutz. It's a surprise, too. He doesn't know about it. That wasn't it. And now we're ready to sing our final song for you. This one, I will admit to you that I said that the second graders can do a little bit of drama in this song. So if they get a little dramatic, it's okay. I gave them permission. Careful now, second graders.